She said, Andy, you're better than your past. Winked at me and drained her glass. Cross-legged on a bar stool like nobody sits anymore. And she said, Andy, you're taking me home. But I knew she planned to sleep alone. I'd carry her to bed, sweep up the hair from the floor. If I'd fucked her before she got sick, I'd never hear the end of it. And she don't have the spirit for that now. We drink our drinks and laugh out loud, bitch about the weekend crowd, and try to ignore the elephant somehow. Somehow. She said, Andy, you crack me up. Her Seagram's in a coffee cup, sharecropper eyes and her hair almost all gone. And when she was drunk, she made cancer jokes, and she made up her own doctor's notes. And surrounded by her family, I saw that she was dying alone. I'd sing her classic country song, she'd get high and sing along, but she don't have much voice to sing with now. We burn these joints in effigy, cry about what we used to be, try to ignore the elephant somehow. Somehow. Giving up my place in line, but I don't give a damn about that now. There's one thing that's real clear to me: no one dies with dignity. We just try to ignore the elephant somehow. We just try to ignore the elephant somehow. We just try to ignore the elephant somehow. 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 Thank you.